Holy the cold! Oh, holy what the is the why is it so cold? Holy now that's cold. Get me out of here. Ugh. Nothing like coming home from an adventure and finding out you've got cold water. So get to the bottom of it. Let's figure this out. First thing to check is your gas meter. Is it locked here or is it locked up there? If it's locked, that means you didn't pay your bill or someone closed it and it needs to be turned back on. So it's not that. So let's check the hot water tank. You can see the hot water tank is leaking. So this tells me that most likely it's shot. Pilot light's off. I turned it off. Let's just start disconnecting this thing. Always make sure you are shut off. Here, which is your water, coming in to your tank. So make sure this is shut off. I just disconnected the venting. Now to disconnect the gas. So in order to do that, follow the gas line up. I've already turned this off. When this is on, it flows with the gas line. When it's off, it's here, it's blocking it. So this line is off. As you can see, this line is on to the furnace. This line is off. So it's off. Just make sure. Now, this line will be the next thing to disconnect. This one is old and broken, so I tried putting it in, didn't work. So I just cut a piece of hose. I went and bought a piece, glued on a new piece, and I'm going to install it. So same kind of thing, just new, not brittle like the other one. The other one I could probably just break, no problem. Yeah, you can feel it's just hard. Out of curiosity. Oh, still got some flexibility in it. It's just this end here that's just broken. And this is just a drain. Okay, got her installed. She's working. Cut back some lines a little because the tank's actually a 50 gallon instead of a 40 gallon. Gas is going. And just gotta change the air filters on the furnace, but yeah, perfect. So putting in a hot water tank, sometimes you can do by yourself. This time I called in a professional, the guy who works for us, because I've never done the copper. I disconnected everything, was able to put everything else back together, but for as far as the copper goes, that's something he needed to do. As far as the plumbing and the gas. Now I have a functioning hot water tank, and it doesn't take that long. Don't get ripped off. A hot water tank this size costs $903. Somebody knows what they're doing will cost you roughly about 75 bucks an hour. So, and it will take you, may I say, 3 hours max. So don't get ripped off. Very simple to do. A lot of stuff you can do yourself, but if you're unsure, don't do it. Thank you for joining us on another episode of Ridgewater Homes. Thanks, guys. Now it's time to try out the shower. You know that felt better. Cold water? No. It's nice in the summertime, but it's nice to have that option of having hot water. And fixing that hot water tank, oh, that's worth it. Whew. And it was cheaper than going to a plumber. Now, that's much better. Thanks for watching.